Hi fam, happy new month. This is the month of August 2021, and I just thought it's necessary to share a few words with us concerning the new month. I know that trading can be so difficult. Sometimes you make profits, you give it back to the market. Sometimes you don't make profit at all. Some of you are in huge debt because of losses. Some of you have lost confidence. Some of you are on the verge of giving up. Some of you have already given up. All right. Some of you have even contemplated suicide at one point or the other because you're not making money. You see, there's nothing that will make sense in the long run that will not be difficult. Even your academics, you will always confront certain courses, all right, certain subjects that will be difficult for you. But you see, in life, nothing good comes easy, all right? Trading is something that can make you and your family comfortable for life. Your generation will never test poverty again if you can get it right with trading. So you don't expect it to be easy. You don't expect trading to be smooth. You don't expect it to be a smooth ride, all right? So the fact that you have started this thing does means that you have to finish it, all right? You have to look through the challenge. You have to look through the losses. You have to look through the pain, the frustration. Look at that version of you that is successful, all right? You see, those guys doing well in the trading sphere, they are not, they don't have two heads, all right? They don't have three heads. They don't have a different kind of um, humanity makeup. They have the same brain, the same eyes, one head like you are. And the fact that they're doing it well means that you too can do it. You are not just good enough for now. Just have to work on yourself. So your only problem is not the market. The problem is not your capital. The problem is not this or that. The problem is that you have not really developed yourself to the extent where you can make consistent profit. So I challenge you today to focus on your your skill set, focus on your psychology, focus on your mindset, and focus on yourself. Try to see those things that are not in you, that are in the consistent winners. All right. So you can go and check out those guys doing well in trading. Ask them questions. What is the difference between your trade and my trade? What is the difference in the mindset? What is the difference in the skill set? That is what will help you to trade. All right. So trading is not easy. It's not easy. We have blown a lot of accounts. We have done a lot of things that we shouldn't do. And we have lost a lot of money. All right. The the financial market was not made to make retail traders rich. All right. It was made for the banks, the big institution traders, and the people that have a large, substantial amount of capital. All right, to do well in the markets. All right. It was not made for us, for everyone to make money. All right. How would they make money if everyone is making money? All right. For each dollar you get in the market, someone lost something equivalent to that, right? So you don't expect trading to be easy. For you to scale through, you must learn how to discipline yourself. You must learn how to see through the challenges. You must be unemotional about losses, all right? Losses are things that must happen in the financial markets, all right? So you have to focus on these things, focus on yourself. What is the reason for my losses? Why am I making losses? What don't I know that is making me to have losses? Sometimes it's not all about what you don't know. Sometimes it's about psychology. Some people they have already seen themselves as losers. So no matter what they learn, no matter what they do, they don't really believe they can do it. So you don't just, it's not all about skill sets, all right? It's all about, it's not only about skill sets, it also involves your mindset about this thing. Do you really believe you can make money from the market? Do you really believe that you can be successful, right? So you have to put all these things into consideration. You have to put it into consideration. You have to believe that you can do it, right? For the fact that other people are doing it means that you can do it. And this is a new mode, right? I want you to just drop those losses of last month, keep it behind. This is the 1st of August 2021. Just start all over again. If you need to start your lectures all over again, start from the basics, start from the types of the market, start from our first video, the beginning, introduction to market structure, you can start from the beginning. This is a new beginning. Yes, you made losses last month. It does not mean that you're a loser. All right. Don't allow the market to determine your self-worth, right? The fact that you lost money to the market does not make you a loser. It just means that at that point you took a trade that was not in the that was not in line with the big traders move. You know that the market is moved by orders, meaning that maybe you took a sell trade when they were buying, or you don't really get it right, right? The fact that you didn't get it right doesn't make you a loser. It just means that you need to work on your skill set and your psychology. So the basic things you need to work on in this new month is number one, your psychology, and number two, your skill set, right? If you can get these two things right, then you will do well. And then the third thing you have to work on is your trading plan. So that is why we're talking about some trading tips that can help you for this new month, right? So I mentioned three things, right? These are those things I believe can help you in this new month, right? The first thing is your psychology, right? You have to believe that you can do well, that you can do it. If others are doing it, then you can do it. You have to have the mindset of a winner. You don't have to be too attached to trades. Don't be too attached to losses. Yes, you made a loss. Move on to the next trade, right? Don't allow one trade to determine your self-worth. Yes, you lost $20 to the market. There are still open opportunities. There are big opportunities for you to still make it big, hit big, right? So this is the first thing I want to talk about today, your psychology. You have to believe that you can do it, right? Work on your mindset. Don't be too attached to profits, right? Don't be too attached to losses as well. All right. This psychology works in two ways. If you start making profits, you become overconfident. And at the end, at that point, you still lose money because you have become overconfident. And when you start losing money too, you begin to have self destructive mindset, which even make you to lose more. So you must be psychologically fit to trade, right? If you notice that you're emotionally down, it's best to avoid the market. Just stay away. The market is not running away. So you must get your psychology right, right? You must get your psychology right for you to trade in this new month. In this new month, you must get your trading psychology right, right? You must have the right psychology, right? And the next thing you have to do is right skill sets, right? Right skill sets. Maybe you have not known so much. The YouTube is very free. Go on YouTube, watch videos on how they take their trades, learn smart money, learn all those things, market structure, so how to make sniper entries, institution, demand and supply. Work on your skills. There's no week that passes by that I don't watch at least 2 or 3 trading videos, even as my skill set is up to a proficiency level as of now, but I still watch at least 3 videos every week, all right? Because I know that I have to develop myself. You have to keep developing. That is the mindset you must carry in this new month. You must keep developing yourself, right? Just keep developing yourself, keep developing yourself, keep developing yourself in this new month, right? Just let go of the past losses. Yes, you lost the money, nothing you can do to give you back apart from developing your skill set and having the right psychology. And the last thing that you will have to adopt in this new month is a right trading plan, right? You have to have a right trading plan. You have to have a good trading plan. And your trading plan basically involves your money management. Let's say risk, right? Your risk management, all right? Yes, your risk management. I'm not here to talk about risk management. I'm also here to talk about trading plan. You must have a trading plan. What is your plan for the trade? How much risk do you risk? How much do you risk per trade? All right. You should not risk more than 10% on a trade, right? You shouldn't risk more than 10% per trade, right? And your risk to reward ratio should always be 1:3, right? If your risk to reward ratio is 1:3, all right, you just need, all right, right, to win 3 out of 10 trades to be profitable, right? You just need to win 3 trades out of 10 trades to be profitable. When you're using a risk to reward of 1:3, all right? If you're using this, you just need to win 3 trades out of 10, right, to be profitable. right? For you to make profit, you just need to be winning 3 trades out of 10. But as your skill set improves, then you can be winning 4 out of 10, 5, 6, 7, even as much as 8 out of 10. But what I am saying is that you have to have a right trading plan. Don't risk, right? Don't risk more than 10% of your capital in a particular trade, right? The trading journey is not you know to use motorbike. Because even if you're trekking, you still get to the destination, right? You mustn't rush. Don't hurry the process, right? Don't risk more than 10% of your capital per trade, right? Don't risk more than 10% on a single trade, right? Right? Don't risk more than 10% on a single trade. Don't risk more than 10% of your capital on a single trade. Your R should be at least 1:3. At least it can be more. It can be 1:4. It can be 1:5. It can be 1:6. It can be 1:7. It can be 1:8. Right? These are the 3 things that can really help you to be profitable in this month. Right? If you are risking 10% on a trade, that means to take 10 consecutive trades to blow your account. And 9, so that if you win just 3 out of those 10 trades, then you'll be profitable. Now, if you lose 10% and now win 3 out of those 10 losses, you are still profitable, right? You know, as if you're risking 1:3, that means one trade will cover for 3 losses. I mean, if you make 3 losses and make 1 profit, 1 profit will cover for 3 losses, right? If you make 3 losses, you maybe lost 30% of your trades, and you now made 1, which is 1 profit. Your 1 profit will cancel the 3 losses. That is the idea of RRR, right? You can do 1:4, 1:5, 1:6, even 1:20, but then the minimum be 1:3. Follow your trading plan judiciously, all right? All right. Yes, you must follow your trading plan judiciously. All right. Some people they will risk they will set their stop loss on the trade, but when the market starts going against them, they will close it. And when they close the loss, they then realize that the market now turns back. Then wonder why did I close this trade? Right? When you have your trading plan, you must stick to it. Don't move your stop loss unless you have analyzed and you see that there was some kind of mistake in your analysis. And hey, then you can close the trade. But as long as the trade has not given you a reason to close it, you have determined your plan, which is 1:3. You have put your stop loss. Allow your trading plan to be executed. Don't be in a hurry to change it. Believe in your trading plan. Let it play out, right? Allow your trading plan to play out. This is how to trade and be consistently profitable, right? So these are the 3 things I just wanted to share with you to help you trade. All right. I have a lot of students, and most of them I have noticed that their problems are mostly the psychological aspect. That is why I'm doing the mentorship. I teach you how to have confidence in your own analysis, right? That's what I do for my students, right? I don't really share signals. I teach them how to do this thing themselves. So know that one thing about knowledge is that knowledge gives confidence. When you know what to do, you have confidence in it. So I give you the right skill set, the right psychology, and the right trading plan, right? When you apply these 3 things, you will be consistently profitable. Though it may not be so fast, but it will be an upward curve. Though it may be slow, it may not be so fast, but it will be an upward curve, winning just 3 trades out of 3 to be profitable, right? So if you follow these 3 things in this new month, you will never blow up another account. And last thing I want to ask is that you should get enough capital, right? Get enough capital. All right, you shouldn't be trading with $5 or with $2 or with $10. All right, you can get about $50, right? Known as at least get about $50 to trade with, at least $50. All right, 50, 60, 70. I wouldn't encourage anyone to take with $30, right? Just save the money while working on your skill. Save the capital, let it be up to 50 or 60 or 100 or 150. Then you can enjoy your tradings, right? That is why some people get very emotionally attached to the trade, because their capital is actually very little, right? So that is it. I wanted to share this straight. And so in compliance with this, I wanted to say that our tutorship class, right? I'm giving a bonus. Right? So I'm giving a bonus instead of let's say a discount, right? A bonus or discounts, right? The amount of discount price of $40 instead of 60, right? You know that our courses are $25 and $60 for the classes, right? So we're giving it a discount price of $40 instead of 60 for both our beginner, right? And so this is what will just be helping you out so you can register and learn how to do this thing yourself. So we're giving a discount, right? Instead of it, and it expires next, or it expires on Saturday. This is the 1st of August. So it expires on the 7th of August. So it's running only for this week, right? It expires on the 7th of August, 2021, right? By 11:59 p.m. That's when this bonus will be expiring. Just want to give 7 days. Some people have said they don't have enough money or right at the balance, don't have up to $60, right? So we're giving our tutorship bonus at $40 instead of 60 for both our beginner and master course, right? It expires on the 7th of August 2021 by 11:59 p.m., right? And you can pay so as you don't feel so burdened. You can, right? To make it easy, you can pay in installments. So it doesn't look too much for you, but you must complete before the deadline, right? So you can pay in installments, but you must complete it before the deadline, right? So you can pay $10, pay 20, pay, but make sure you complete the $40 before the deadline, right? This is where we will teach you, we'll make you a trader, right? We had a class yesterday on risk management, and I taught so many eye-opening things, right? So that is what I'll be doing just to encourage you, all right? I'm giving a discount of 40 instead of $6 for both our beginner and master course, and it expires on the 7th of August, 11:59 p.m. All right, but you must complete before the deadline, right? So this is the few things I wanted to share. All right, get the right psychology or get the right skill sets, keep developing yourself, and use your right trading plan. Master and stick to your trading plan, and the month of August will be profitable for you. All right, so this is all I have to share with you. All right, have a nice Sunday, have a nice day, and enjoy your day, right? Have a nice time. Bye. All right, to register for our class, just hit the link in the description and register, or send an email to electronglobal@gmail.com. All right, I'll put it in the description page. All right. All right. So let me just add that. Right, let me just add that. So this is it. Just check the description to register. All right, so that is it for now. Have a nice day. Right, bye.